Hello everyone, my name is Alan, this is JA Autos Limited. Welcome to our channel, and I'm going to give you a guided tour around this really rather lovely Mercedes CLC. This has just arrived with us, so I'm going to give you a scroll round, show you all about the car. Well, here we have this rather lovely Mercedes 2009 CLC. It's a 180 compressor SE. Like I said, 2009 registered. Car's only done 63,000 miles. Does have full service history. Finished in lovely metallic black. I'll point out any little bits as we go around the vehicle, but it is offered to you today in a rather lovely condition. I think these are very, very underrated, these cars. I think they make a good all-round daily car for a little Mercedes Coupe. Not a fortune to run. Nice boot space in there, folding rear seats. This one's got all its carpet mats with the trimming around them. Have your spare wheel and toolkit in there. Locking wheel nut we do have in the glove box. 180 petrol. Does come with rear parking sensors. Slight tint on the rear windows, I believe. One or two tiny little chips around the top of the wheels, but nothing really to write home about. Bodywork's in a really good condition. Mirror covers all nice. Again, this wheel might be the odd little chip here. Tyres are all good. I think they've got certainly matching tyres on the front and matching tyres on the rear. Treads are all in a good condition. Now you have got the front parking sensors on here. You've got a visual guide, which I will show you shortly, and obviously your little beeper. So there you go. Bonnet's all nice. Might be the very odd little stone chip that's been touched in, but nothing that you would not expect on a 2009 car. Again, front wheel here, very little chipping around this one, the odd little mark, and again, great tyre. Now if I can show you the interior of the car, it does have the part leather trim with this rather nice contrasting sort of red and check fabric. Do have automatic headlights and automatic wipers, electric front windows, multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth, your onboard computer, cruise control, 6-speed manual gearbox with dual zone air conditioning. And let me start this car up for you. 62,307 miles. And there she goes. Drives very, very well indeed, as the Mercedes do. Stereo controls there. Activation for your Bluetooth. You've got your system settings, and there you go. Locking wheel nuts, like I said, is in the vehicle. Now I don't know if you can see that there, that is your visual for the parking sensors. Now if I put this into reverse, I don't know if you can see that at the back of the car. Again, there's a visual as well as your sound for your parking sensor. So that's the Parktronic system on the Mercedes, which is always a good system. I show you in the rear of the car, rear headrests, again the lovely part leather trim. Carpets are like new, obviously, with the carpet mats being fitted. So there you go. Now there was one or two little bits I think I saw, a bit on the rear bumper here, and that's been touched in, very minor. And I think there might have been a bit on the front corner of the bumper. Like I say, with these videos I will try and highlight this little scuff there that's been touched in, but touched in very well. Like I say, with all these cars I will highlight any imperfections which you are always going to get on a car of this age. So there you have it, Mercedes CLC petrol, 6-speed manual, 62,000 miles, full service history, great service history. We do MOT the car for you, we do service it, everything will come with a WMS guarantee. If you need any help, please give me a call. My name's Alan, I'm the owner, 0208 641 6455. Now we do have some more cars coming in for April. If you want to subscribe to our channel, every time we post something, you'll be the first to hear and see it, so you might beat the rush. Other than that, have a great day everyone, I'll speak to you soon. Bye.